This whole situation kind of started after that video went viral of Johnny Sexton getting detained. He said that he had his rights violated, but after that, this whole kind of blew up. A lot of other people started sharing their stories, and that's where the idea of this town hall came from. Now, that did get canceled today, but their concerns have not stopped.
If you don't give me your ID, I'm going to take you to jail for failure to identify.
It was the last straw for a lot of people in Watonga. Johnny Sexton was knocked down, briefly detained, all in front of his 6-year-old son, who Sexton says hasn't been the same since.
We can't even talk about it in front of him. He freaks out.
Sexton believes his rights were violated, but the DA's office concluded today nothing criminal happened, telling us in part, quote, "Our declination of charges speaks only to our assessment of potential criminal liability under Oklahoma law."
The video evidence, I think, speaks for itself.
People like Tamara Moore not only disagree with the DA's decision, they say his case isn't exactly unique, citing multiple other instances where people have felt disrespected or otherwise saw him abuse his power as an officer.
We got constitutional rights, y'all.
Opening a community conversation on not only the police department, but how to fix what they feel is a systemic problem in town.
Normally people would think like, okay, well, why don't we go to City Hall? We're not allowed to speak at City Hall. So, and if we do, there's always, interruptions and there's problems. And even the people who do go through the process get on the agenda or whatever.
The hope is to lay out issues and figure out how to move forward together.
They don't want you to know your rights, y'all. So we need to band together and figure this stuff out, and we can do that.
As far as Sexton's case goes, the city has put the officer on paid administrative leave while they investigate whether there's a personnel issue or something else that needs to be solved. And Sexton says that he's also going to see what he can do on his part, whether that's a civil suit or in some other manner. He says that he wants to seek his justice as well. And people in the community say that they're going to have this town hall. They just don't have the next date set just yet. In Watonga, Chantal Navarro, KOCO 5 News.